Hello everyone, I am here just for a quick share. So not a tutorial for today, but it's Friday, so I thought I would share what I've been working on. So I picked up the Anna Griffin album making dies when they went on sale. I wasn't a bit intimidated by this die when I first saw it. But after tackling the journal with that crazy spine, I figured let me just give it a shot. So this is, of course, as you know, comes with all the instructions. And this was really easy to put together. To my surprise, I thought it would be harder. So these are the pieces that it comes with. So you get an embossing folder. Oops, let me flip it this way. You get an embossing folder. You get the spine mechanism. So this is what you need to pleat to create the spines in the book, or the spine in the book that you will attach your pages to. And then it comes with these beautiful dies for you to mount your pictures on. And then you can use these to cut out your photos if that's what you choose to do. So let me show you now. This die came from the journal album. Well, it's not an album, but the journal that she had for Create 7. So I took the binding part, and that's what I used in the album. So as you can see, because of course that edge is so beautiful. So I didn't, because it'll pierce the holes where you're going to do the stitching. All I did was just cover it up with some elements from one of the dies. I don't remember which one it was, but I thought that looked cute. And so I have been working and have finally finished this baby album that I'm going to give to my best friend's daughter, who is having a baby next month. So I used these papers from the Paper Studio from Hobby Lobby. I picked them up when they were on 50% off. I wish I would have taken a picture of everything because this is so cute. So cute. So it comes with 2 sticker sheets. So one with icons and then one with alphabets. And then it comes with 12 by 12 full scrapbook papers. And so there's 2 of 5. So you get 10 sheets. And then you get die cut cardstock sticker, or not stickers, but shapes. And yeah, this was so super inexpensive because it was about $2.50 for it, and it's so cute. I love it. So anyway, that's what I used to decorate my book. So the cover says it's a girl. I did do a ribbon closure because I kind of thought it needed a closure. So here is the first page. So this one, I use the mini pocket dies. So there's a pocket on the inside cover, and then this is a place for the photos or journaling. And then here's 1 month, and so all these will go, be able to move so that she can tuck a picture and maybe do a little journaling here. So there's 1 month, and then 2 months, and the same thing. So everything will kind of move out of the way so she can put a picture. And then here's 3 months. And these are not the ones that come in the die set. These come, this is another, it's a different Anna Griffin die set. And then here's month 4. And then month 5. And so all the little cardstock die cuts are part of that paper collection. So super cute. Here's 6 months. 7 months, and then 8 months, and then this is another page to put another picture or any kind of journaling. So 8 months. So where's the rest of it? Oh, here's what the back cover looks like, by the way. So here's the side, here's the front. So if you look up here, it continues. So if I pull this one out, here's 9 months. And so I just punched the little border out, attached the 9 months, and decorated with the stickers that come in the pack. So that fits in the first page. So that just tucks in there. And then in the second page is the 10 months. So same thing, the little sticker at the bottom tucks in there. And then in the next one is 11 months. Little sticker at the bottom, so cute. And let me just take it out. So this is what it looks like. So again, for pictures, journaling, anything like that. And then these tuck in between. So this is left open, and then these will tuck inside like so. Okay, and then let's put that in there. All right. And then here comes 1 year, so 12 months. And so there's what that looks like. And then the back is blank for picture or journaling, whatever she wants to do. So that is my little mini album that came together super, super easy. So I just wanted to share, if you haven't given this album a try, it's really easy. And there's lots of videos, several videos out there of incredible YouTubers who have put this together step by step. Carla Gets Crafty is one that I felt did such a great job explaining how to, create the book and all that. So I will link her video below, but yeah, just check them out because this was super easy and I thought it came out super, super, super cute. I'm really happy with it and I hope she really likes her little book coming to her. So I have a few more to share. So I will be back with another share soon, as well as video tutorials. So thanks for stopping by today. Until next time, bye.